Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Ari, and I am back. It has been quite a while, about around 2 months since I have posted a YouTube video, maybe even a little bit more. I'm pretty sure the last time I posted was like January or February, and it is now April. So this week I'm on spring break, which means I'm going to be posting 3 videos, and they're all going to be Disney themed, which is why I'm decked out in Disney gear, because today's first video for the Disney theme is packing for Disney. As you guys can probably tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be packing for 2 days worth of Disney fun, and I'm just going to show you guys what I pack for that, and I hope y'all enjoy it. Let's get on with the video. Guys, so I don't even know if it's focused. There we go. So basically, I'm going to show you guys, I'm staying like one night and then 2 days at Disneyland. So first, I have my bathroom bag, which basically has like hair stuff and anything that I'll need like on the trip, like my retainer case and stuff like that, is all in there. We have my pajamas because I am staying one night. So we have my pajama pants, just some soft ones, and like just this blue shirt. We ain't trying to impress nobody. I'm just trying to sleep. Next, we have my first outfit for the first day, which is at Disneyland. And for that, I have this Stitch shirt that's like super cute, and it just has Stitch on it, and I'm wearing that with these black jean shorts and my purple Minnie Mouse ears you guys saw me wearing earlier, because like in this Stitch shirt it kind of just has like a little purple accents, I guess. I don't really know. So for the second day, which is California Adventure, I have this shirt that just says "Girls Rule the World" or something like that. And it's this light pink color, and it's supposed to be a little colder the second day, so I have black leggings and my MU hat because like we're going to California Adventure, and for me that just like reminds me of like Monsters University and hats, I guess. I don't even know. So next we have 2 pairs of shoes. I don't know which one I'm wearing which day, but I'm bringing both because I'm a very indecisive person, which is why I'm bringing like 2 pairs of shoes and 2 jackets and like stuff like that. So I have these black Nikes for my first shoe option, and then I also have my Adidas. And last but not least, we have my jacket. This is my tie-dye jacket that I wear a lot, and then I have a jean jacket also, because again, indecisive person. And in this bag, we have my charger for my phone and my portable charger, because I use my phone a lot when I go places, and I feel like it's going to die, so I brought my portable charger just in case. Yeah. Sorry this video was so short. I kind of like didn't realize how short it was going to be, but I will go more in depth on my outfits in the next video, next Disney themed video, which is going to be 2 Disney outfits. It's going to be a Disney outfits video. So these few videos are going to be short, and then the last video is going to be my vlog from this trip, which will be a little longer because it's 2 days combined. But these 2 videos are just kind of short ones. I hope you enjoyed them. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below your favorite Disney character. Mine is either Stitch or Winnie the Pooh, plus like all the princesses. I don't even know, but like, I don't know, I just think Stitch is really cute, and Winnie the Pooh is just like a cuddly bear, so like, why wouldn't you like Winnie the Pooh? Duh. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!